Hey everybody, Diana here for another episode of Tip Tuesday. Today we're talking cover letters, specifically the two things that your cover letter always needs to do and the one thing that I want you to stop worrying about. The first thing your cover letter needs to do is be clear. Clear about why you are qualified to solve the most important one or two problems that a particular role at a company will have. You can use your industry knowledge, your company knowledge, your job description to figure out those things and then lay it out very simply in the cover letter. I love the T-shaped cover letter format to do this, but you can just write regular old paragraphs like you did in school if you want to. The second thing your cover letter needs to do is give context. A lot of times people are really worried about something strange in their background that might be a blocker for getting called for an interview. Something like you live in a different state or a different country, or you took a big break from work at some point, especially during the pandemic. Simply writing a sentence or two that address these concerns can go a really long way towards taking you from the no pile into the maybe or the yes pile so that you get that crack at qualifying for an interview. A simple statement such as, I live in Kansas right now, but I'm planning to relocate to California within 3 months can go a long way. The thing that I don't want you to worry about, though, is being clever. It seems like very often people feel like they have to tell an elaborate story or try to be funny in their cover letter so that they'll be memorable. And when people only have a few seconds to read a cover letter and a resume for the first pass, that is really a waste of time. So focus on being clear. Don't worry so much about being clever, especially if you're not a natural storyteller. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you watched this episode of Tip Tuesday, and I will see you next week.